Today we are going to learn about advanced techniques for exception propagation in Python. We'll explore how to manage and control exceptions across application layers, enhancing your software design skills.
Welcome to our session on advanced techniques for exception propagation in Python. In today's video, we'll delve into the intricacies of how exceptions travel through function call stacks and how you can manage them effectively. Understanding exception propagation is crucial for robust software design, as it allows you to handle errors gracefully and maintain application stability. By the end of this video, you'll have gained practical insights into controlling exceptions through various advanced methods. Let's get started.
To begin, let's explore the basics of exception propagation. In Python, exceptions are events that disrupt the normal flow of a program. They can occur due to various reasons, such as invalid input, network issues, or programming errors. When an exception is raised, Python searches for an appropriate exception handler in the current function. If none is found, it moves up the call stack, searching each function for a handler. This process continues until an appropriate handler is found or the program terminates. Understanding this propagation mechanism is vital, as it forms the foundation for advanced techniques we'll explore later. Types of exceptions include built-in exceptions like index error and custom exceptions created by developers. Basic exception handling involves using try-except blocks to catch and handle exceptions, allowing programs to continue running despite errors.
Understanding how exceptions travel through call stacks is crucial for effective exception propagation. A call stack is a data structure that stores information about active subroutines in a program. When a function is called, it's added to the stack. Upon completion, it's removed. If an exception occurs within a function, Python checks the stack for an exception handler, moving from the current function to the calling functions. This hierarchical search continues until a handler is found or the program terminates. The call stack structure affects the propagation path, influencing where and how exceptions are handled. Effective handling strategies include placing try-except blocks at strategic points in the call stack to catch exceptions early and prevent them from propagating unnecessarily. Understanding this flow allows developers to design robust exception handling mechanisms that maintain program stability.
One of the fundamental techniques in exception propagation is using the raise statement. The raise statement allows you to trigger an exception in your code, which can be useful for signaling errors or unusual conditions. Additionally, you can use raise to propagate an existing exception up the call stack. This is known as re-raising an exception. To do this, simply use raise without an argument in an except block. Re-raising is beneficial when you want to handle an exception in a higher level function while preserving the original error information. Adding context to exceptions is another useful technique. By raising a new exception with additional information, you can provide clearer error messages and facilitate debugging. Best practices for using raise include ensuring that raised exceptions are meaningful and that context is added when necessary to enhance error understanding.
Rethrowing exceptions with additional context is an advanced technique that enhances error handling. When an exception is caught, it's often beneficial to provide more information before rethrowing it. This can be achieved by creating a custom exception that includes additional context, such as the function name or input parameters. By doing so, you improve the readability and usefulness of error messages, aiding in debugging and maintenance. To maintain the original traceback, use the from keyword when raising the new exception. This ensures that the original exception's details are preserved, providing a complete picture of the error. Practical examples of rethrowing include adding user-friendly messages or logging additional data. This technique is especially useful in large applications where understanding the error's context is crucial for swift resolution.
Handling exceptions in nested functions poses unique challenges, as exceptions can propagate through multiple layers of function calls. In such scenarios, it's essential to carefully plan exception handling strategies. One approach is to place exception handlers in each nested function, allowing localized handling of specific exceptions. This prevents excessive propagation and keeps error handling close to the source. However, it's crucial to balance this with performance considerations, as excessive try-except blocks can impact execution speed. Another strategy is to have a centralized exception handler in a higher-level function, which handles exceptions that propagate through nested functions. This approach reduces code duplication and simplifies maintenance. Understanding the scope of exception handlers is important, as it determines where exceptions can be caught. By strategically placing handlers, you can ensure efficient and effective error management in nested function scenarios.
Exception propagation can have a significant impact on performance, particularly in applications with frequent error occurrences. Handling exceptions involves certain overhead, as Python must search the call stack for appropriate handlers. This process can affect execution speed, especially in performance-critical applications. To optimize exception handling, developers should minimize unnecessary try-except blocks and focus on handling only relevant exceptions. Additionally, consider the trade-offs between performance and safety. While aggressive exception handling may slow down execution, it enhances application reliability and robustness. Real-world scenarios demonstrate that appropriate exception handling can prevent catastrophic failures and ensure smooth operation. By understanding the performance implications of exception propagation, you can make informed decisions about when and how to handle exceptions in your applications. Logging and debugging propagated exceptions are crucial aspects of software maintenance. By logging exceptions, you can capture detailed error information, which is invaluable for diagnosing issues and understanding the error context. Implementing a robust logging system involves configuring logging levels and formats to suit your application's needs. Error logs provide visibility into the application's behavior, helping identify patterns and recurrent issues. When debugging propagated exceptions, tools like traceback modules and integrated development environments, IDEs, with debugging capabilities can be immensely helpful. These tools allow you to inspect the call stack, variables, and error messages, facilitating a deeper understanding of the error. By improving error visibility through logging and debugging, you enhance your ability to maintain and optimize your application, ensuring long-term reliability and performance.
To wrap up our discussion, let's explore some case studies that highlight effective exception propagation strategies. In real-world applications, exception handling plays a vital role in ensuring software reliability and performance. One example involves a web application that uses exception propagation to manage database connection errors. By implementing a centralized exception handler, the application gracefully handles connection issues, providing users with meaningful error messages and retry options. Another case study focuses on a scientific computing application that uses custom exceptions to signal data processing errors. This approach enhances error messages with detailed context, aiding in troubleshooting and data correction. From these examples, we learn valuable lessons about the importance of thoughtful exception handling, the role of context in error messages, and the impact of exception propagation on software design. By continuously improving exception handling strategies, developers can create more robust and maintainable applications.
In conclusion, mastering advanced techniques for exception propagation in Python is essential for developing robust and reliable software. We've explored key concepts, including how exceptions travel through call stacks, the use of arrays and rethrowing with context, handling exceptions in nested functions, and the impact on performance. By implementing these techniques, you enhance your software design skills, ensuring efficient and effective error management. Remember, the key to successful exception handling lies in careful planning, practical application, and continuous improvement. We encourage you to apply these insights to your projects and experience the benefits firsthand. Thank you for joining us on this journey.